Hi guys, and welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel. This is a requested recipe. You guys wanted me to show you how to make a fast, easy, and of course a healthy sandwich for lunch or just a snack. I'm going to show you the way I make a fast sandwich in my kitchen that is really good, tasty, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. So come on, let's get started.
Here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay, let's talk about the meat that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using my oven roasted turkey breast. Now guys, you could use whatever you choose to use. I'm going to use turkey breast, and mine could use chicken, beef, whatever. But this one is really good. It's deli thin sliced and it's pretty yummy. And for this sandwich, I'm going to be using my sandwich skinny bread, and that is 100% whole wheat rolls. It's nice and thin. It's perfect for sandwiches and I love it. Okay guys, I'm going to use this cheese. You could use whatever cheese that you choose to use. This is the one that I'm going to use with my sandwich. I'm also going to add some mustard in it, and I'm also going to add a little bit of mayo, and of course I'm going to add tomatoes to it. Now in here I have onions, sweet pepper. I choose to use the yellow ones, the red one, and the green one, and I'm onion. So that's what's in that plate. And I'm going to get my dish started with my extra virgin olive oil right there. And that is it. So let me show you how I get my sandwich guys, together. I have my pot on the fire with my extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my vegetables in. And all I'm going to add to this is a little bit of black pepper and a pinch of salt, and you just want this to get a nice golden brown. So okay guys, that's exactly how I want it to be. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this off the heat and move on to the next step. Okay guys, so we are moving on to our next step. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and put my EVO on top of that. And then I'm going to toast my bread up. I'm going to put my mayo here. Then I'm going to put my mustard on the other side. Okay, we just want to toast those up a little bit. That looks really, really good. You add your vegetables on there. And you add your tomatoes. Cover it back over, and there is your sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on a plate, and I'm going to have it with some ginger juice. So there you have it guys. That's how I make my sandwiches almost every day. It's all that goodness on the inside. Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy. Just like that. Okay guys, I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, share. Let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, a time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.